Hello guys, today is a beautiful day to learn something new. Today we're learning about VLC. We can download VLC from Play Store. Let me open the data. So you key in VLC for Android, then you click on it. If you want, you can read more on it. So right here they are saying VLC is the best open source video and music player, fast and easy. What's new? The VLC version. Then you can get the number of space it's going to take. That's 15.22 megabytes. Then you click download. But over here I've downloaded it, so it's either I update or I uninstall. So let's move to the VLC app itself. So over here the VLC it's here. You click on it. You've got a list of your artists over here. Then the album. Then your songs. Then your genre or the types. So you have Afro pop, Afro beats, alternate, blues, classicals. You have the playlist. I've named mine my own, so I have some songs over there. So you can slide and get video, audio, directories, local network, stream, and history. So let's move to video. So let's press on this. So right here, if you want to pause, you press this. If you want to play, you press it again. You can lock the video player so that when you lock it, you can't do anything again. You can't pause it, you can't play it, so that it will be there. So even when your hands touch it, it's not going to change anything. So you can unlock it back. Over here, we can add the subtitles. Select the subtitle file, download subtitles and the audio track. Over here, this is a timer, sleep in. So you can decide to make it sleep in 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 30 seconds. Over here is playback speed. You can, let me start again. So I can make it slow. I can make it very fast. Okay. So let's leave it at 1. So over here we have the jump to time. You can decide to move to a specific time. So over here we have up to 1 minute. We can move to 50 seconds. So let's try that one. 50 seconds. You see, just move to 50 seconds. Over here we have you can change the way the voice will be. So you can go up, you can go down, and so on. Do not save. With this one, you can go back to the playlist without stopping the video. But this one is a subtitle delay. So if you want to delay the subtitle by some minutes, it will do it. Over here you can change the way the screen does, like the way you be seeing YouTube videos and so on. Like This one is audio delay. Sometimes the pictures moves faster than the audio, or sometimes the audio moves faster than the pictures. So over here you can delay it. You can delay the audio. So if the audio is moving faster than the video, you delay it so that it matches the video. This one you can repeat it once, or you won't repeat it. And over here is the size of the screen. So guys, this is the little tutorial I'd have to do for VLC. Thank you very much for watching it. Bye bye. It's your boy at Muhammad Ali Ketu from Team Ghana. Peace out.